about your dance? What's your name? Jessica? Angeli? Galang. How old are you, Jessica? 2. Can you say ABC? Can you sing ABC? Yes? Okay, go ahead. Ay, good job. How about can you count 1 to 15? Yes? Okay, go ahead. Oy, what's that? Where are you going? You like your dress? Of course.